stage ndeja kuba hebero mukaga byo kuikumya mwaka ogu kandi omwembezi mukuru w'ekibineti ni ya Patrick Oboya Amuriat na indeshiro ya kabiri.
We moved from the villages to the parishes to sub-counties to the counties and to the districts, and we now have a full complement of district representatives ready to go to the National Delegates Conference to elect the National Executive Committee.
Wabere nagamba hona ba delegates b'ekibineti urwo mtange cha Bunyoro ni Amuriat ahigire abembezi b'ekibina cha FDC okurebeka ngo bayejumbiro mu kutera karuru okutora n'abembezi babo
to give away these 2 years and compete to be elected to become president of the FDC again. If I am elected, this is going to be my last term, because under our constitution, you cannot run for the same position for more than 2 terms. And so this is going to be my last appeal that I'm making to the delegates of the National Delegates Conference to elect leadership that will push the party forward.
Amuriat ayongera yashobora ngo kumuretera kwetengeshiro ya kabiri no kugira ngo harwe ibintu byabere atakhereze omukibineti
that will respond to the needs of the party but also to the needs of the Ugandan population in trying to bring change to this country that has been under the yoke of dictatorship for nearly 40 years now.
Biro bikiriyaho muyobozi w'ekibina cha FDC Patrick Oboya Amuriat yatera abembezi b'ekibineti bagenzi be abari kugezaho kukozesa uburyo bundi obo kumwihabwe abembezi b'ekibineti ngo barabiro mu karuru ngo kuyarabiro mu karuru kubutunga.
And we would like to invite our colleagues who have decided to take a different path, to use democratic means for changing leadership in the FDC. It serves no purpose for anybody trying to come through the ventilator into the FDC house, and yet the door is wide open.
Umuringo ngogume Robert Centenary uyitimbira abo vice president w'ekibineti mu ruburenge rw'izuba yahiga ba delegates abagire kutoranwa ukwiziro mu bwinji National Delegates Conference ukurebeka ngo batora n'abembezi babo.
It's our culture as the FDC that we don't take delegates for granted. We reach out to them and seek for their support. The decision on whom to choose on the 6th lies in their hands, but I want to believe that we have convinced them enough.
Makuraga gasha kwa gada saba aba Sky TV against